What is up, YouTube? Another video. It's been a while, but nevertheless, today I'm going to show you how to install a harness, the Venom truck harness, that is, for your auto fog lights. What you'll want to do first is get a 10 mil ratchet or a 10 mil wrench, whatever your preference would be. I didn't disconnect the power, I just disconnected the ground and then made sure it didn't touch by placing something here and here, pretty much around it. And then, so that took care of the electricity. It came around the door. What you'll need for this install: pair of scissors, not these ones because they're absolute garbage, but they worked, and pair of pliers. So you'll want to pull after disconnecting, pull down this white little tab where my finger is on the pink connector, and then same with the blue in the very back. Pull them down, and then you'll want to install the two adapters to the brown and gray wire on the pink, and then on the blue it's a violet and white wire. And then you plug that back in, make sure the harness is plugged in, plug those back in, install your battery again, and now when you turn on the truck, you see my my lights aren't on. If I press this, it'll pop up. All right, so I turned it off. And the fog lights are on. That easy. Enjoy. Any questions? Leave it in the comments.